Ja, ist gut so?
You know the coconut shell, asawa ko?
In Germany, it's called Topfhaarschnitt, where you put a pot, like a pot haircut, where you put a pot over the head of the child and then you cut around the pot.
Oh, habo na ng putol, oh. Sela, okay na yung gupit na Ella. Ay, sana maganda yung kalabasan asawa ko, ha? Ay, saglit! Good morning, guys. Saan may sasakyan? Doon sila. Mahuhuli na kami. Medyo na late kami ngayong araw. Wait tayo. Ito sila. Okay? Sorry. Oh, good. Akit na sa sasakyan. Yeah, online. Oh, nakulog. Ang ganda pa naman ng gupit ngayon ni Baby Amy, guys. Oh.
And I will climb over to
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, good? Okay. Tara na. Seatbelt. Malamig. Okay. He's so happy. Okay, seatbelt. Ella and Papa. And Mama, seatbelt also?
I have seatbelt also. Everyone here has seatbelt.
Adam. Cellphone here.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Hello. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Kamusta kayong lahat? I hope everybody is doing fine. Magandang umaga. We are a little bit in a hurry because we're on the way to an appointment and a little bit late. Maybe you noticed something here next to me. Something went wrong. I tried yesterday to be a hair cutter on this little guy, but as you can see, it didn't turn out very nicely. So we're going to appointment for Adam first, and then we'll go to the hair cutter to save Timmy's hair. Nice looking hair, because at the moment it's not so nice. He also didn't like me cutting it. Yeah, but now I need to feed Adam first, as you can hear.
We're on time.
We're on time, yes.
Excited, Ella, for your haircut also? Yeah. I love you, Ella. Help, Papa. Okay, no problem. Malaki na talaga si Ella. Gusto siya na lang. Oh! Salamat, Lord. Timmy, come. Okay. Bag, document. Bago natin makalimutan. Oh, natutulog na si Baby Adam, Aniko. Baby Adam's sleeping, huh?
Yeah, just fell asleep.
So we bring him like this, okay?
Yeah.
Ayan, sarap ng tulog ni Baby Adam. Maaga kasi siya nagising. You know the coconut shell, asawa ko?
Yeah.
That is a coconut shell haircut.
In Germany, it's called Topfhaarschnitt, where you put a pot, like a pot haircut, where you put a pot over the head of the child and then you cut around the pot. But I didn't do that. It just looks like that.
Wait, in Tagalog, we call it bao. Oh, Dora the Explorer. Maglalayo. Dito muna. Timmy and Ella. Come, sige na. Let's go. Okay. It's okay. Wala. Ayan, kailangan na rin talagang gupitan yung buhok ni Elang. Haba na oh. Ito kay Timmy naman, kailangan na lang iayos.
Yeah, this is by me also.
What?
Ella was blowing on his knees. Very cute.
Ah, so, okay.
By me as out.
Oh, nadapa kasi si Timmy.
It's here.
Oh, meron din dyan? Oh, talaga.
There.
Yan. Hindi kompleto ang pagiging bata nyo pag hindi kayo nadadapa. So, kasama yan. It's included, right, Aniko?
Yes. Part of the child.
It's part of the childhood.
You're not falling, then you're not learning.
Yeah. Kahit na nga, matatanda, di ba? Sabi ng kaibigan ko sa Palawan, parang kumonti daw yung mga sasakyan. Dahil nga sa mahal ng, ng gasolina at saka diesel. Na kumonti yung, lumuwag yung daanan. Parang feeling ko dito sa Germany, ganun din, oh. Ang luwag ng daanan. Oh, ang luwag. Parang walang halos na bumabiyahe. Yan yung epekto talaga ng pagmahal ng gasolina sa atin. So guys, pasok na muna kami sa loob. So, mamaya balitaan na rin namin kayo. Okay, let's go. So now it's done. Oh, Mia, ang bilis. Take like 5 minutes only, no?
Forgot to put
A card on our car?
card on.
Ah, so, okay. So ayun, tapos na kami at i-deliver lang yung ni Baby Adam. German passport in 4 weeks time. So napakabilis. Ganda ng sistema talaga nila dito. Parang 5 minutes lang o wala yata 5 minutes nga. But anyway, yung Philippine passport at saka birth certificate ni Adam ay wala pa. So nag-aantay pa kami ng reply through email kung kailan kami babalik ulit ng Frankfurt para asikasuhin yun. So sana by this month matapos din. So I need to lock the car.
I
Sorry.
looked already.
You have key also?
Okay, also.
So dalawa yung key natin. Oh, tara na. You know the hair
It's over there.
dresser,
on the
no?
other
You call
side.
it hairdresser here?
Friseur.
Frisura?
Friseur.
Frisura. Teach us.
Because frisur is the haircut, and
Yeah.
friseur is the one who's making the haircut.
Okay, frisura. Ang hirap. Yan guys, yung mga boards nila. Pabaligtad. Yung parang palunok. Oh, Snell. Let's go. Ayan. Oh, Timmy, excited ka na, Timmy?
Yeah.
Andela, excited?
Yeah.
Sinong mauna? Who's the one first?
Hey, where's the dog?
Punto ko talaga kung may makikita mga playground to. Siguradong hihinto kami. Pero ngayon naman ay hindi na kami maghahabol ng oras kasi nga gugupitan na lang din sila. Delikado ko, may bote, may basag na bote. Yeah,
Is it
kain, drink, basa. Oh. Niche drinking ha.
Yes.
Bawal
it's
inumin.
It's a fountain.
Yeah, it's a fountain. Yeah, yes.
But it's not yet, because it's not yet warm enough. It will come in the, I think, later spring. They
Later
will start it.
Yeah. You want also some haircut?
Do you need a haircut? I don't know.
Do you think, guys, she needs?
I can let it grow. No, I don't let it grow so far. Let
We
it
will
grow a little
see.
bit.
Yeah. Me too. I think I need a haircut. Ako rin. Do I need haircut?
Give me-
Ella, do I need haircut? Nine. Timmy, do you think I need haircut? Huh? No. No, also no. O tara na, magwi-withdraw pa ako kay wala tayong pambayad doon sa haircutter. Sige kayo. We pay already to the stud Niederkassel. Yeah. Tara, magwi-withdraw muna si Papa. Okay, let's go. Ayan, malapit lang din daw dito. Walking distance. Ang paggugupitan ng dalawa. So, sabi ni Ani, ang gupit daw dito ay nasa 20 euro. Asawa ko na. For the children,
Yeah, like
20
20.
euro. About for the adult?
40 euro.
For the adult, 40 times 2. Oh, okay. So, doble sa adult guys. Sa kids, mas mura. Okay. Oh, by the way, one followers or subscribers said don't put your bag behind you.
Yeah.
No? You know why? Yeah.
Because of the
Yeah, you know.
pickpocket.
Yeah, pickpockets. So.
Luckily, there are not so many pickpockets here.
Yeah. So, meron ditong ATM machine. Kailangan naming mag-withdraw. Come, Timmy, let's go. Ang bayad nyo ng gupit niya. Ayan na yung hairdresser guys. Nandito ang hairdresser. So, lapit lang dito yung ATM. Okay, good. Tara na. So, nandito na tayo sa Haar Gallery. Pasok, pasok. Dito, 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 dito. Come. Hey, Timmy yun, Ella. Dito, dito. Pasok, pasok. Pasok, Timmy. So, Ella first?
Ja, Ella first.
Okay.
Darf ich dann eine Zeit für Sie aufnehmen?
Können Sie die gerade noch mal
Ja.
Das, das.
Warten wir mal so.
Oh.
Ja, so ist gut. Wie soll ich denn?
So, Timmy na, si Timmy also.
Ja.
Yeah, let's go.
Ja. Guck mal, du kriegst auch einen
Excited.
Riesenthron.
Oh.
Bitte einmal.
Ja, warte, warte.
Kommst du zu mir? Ach, Sandra, danke.
Ja?
Ito na, ayaw na ni Timmy, guys.
Ja? Ich halte deine Hand auf währenddessen.
Uy, kay Ate Ella, nasimula na kay Ate Ella niya. Pero itong isang maliit.
Ja?
Timmy, let's go, it's okay. Kaya talaga pagbata. Ay, na.
Komm mal auf den Superman-Stuhl hier. Häuschen.
So guys, hindi tayo nag-succeed kay Timmy. Talagang ayaw ni Timmy. Si Ate Ella na lang muna. Didn't work out so far. Only Ate Ella. So you will stay bao, Timmy. Oh. Or maybe Papa will fix it later.
Du wolltest gerade.
Yeah.
Sollen wir noch mal ein bisschen warten? Du guckst der Ella zu und dann versuchen wir. So Timmy was not successful, but Ella is very successful. Will be very nice, and I think we'll come back another time when Timmy is not so nervous to get a haircut.
Okay na. Tapos na si Ella. Ella's done. Timmy also. Hey, Ella, your clothes? This one, malamig.
Ja?
Ooh.
Ja, ist gut so? Super.
Super schön.
So, Schatz. Achtung.
Yay!
Und da von deinem Thron.
Ja.
Sag, haben wir alles mit?
Ja, danke schön. Tschüss. Danke. Tschüss.
So,
So,
mal raus.
okay. Okay. Successful tayo kay Ella pero kay Timmy hindi. Oh, pero okay lang. May next time naman. Next time, Timmy, ya?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah daw, yeah.
Okay.
Next time, asawa ko
Next
sa
time.
ni Timmy. Okay? No
So,
problem.
Shortly to the playground.
Shortly to the playground. Where is the playground? Ah, there. There, one, oh. So, i-treat muna namin sila ng playground shortly para ma-relax sila. Lalo si Ella. Kasi matagal-tagal siya nakaupo doon. Here is the playground also, Timmy and Ella. Kogmal. There. It's not the playground?
It's not the playground.
Mami, sila guys, kahit napakalayo ng playground, no? Kasi dito sa mga subdivision, talagang yung kinikater ng government nila is yung playground, no? Halos lahat. Mostly of your thing you have the playground, right?
I think there's a rule how many meters away in the area has to be a playground. There's apartments and so on.
Kaya talagang enjoy yung mga bata kasi hindi sila maboboring.
Ja,
Kaya kada hapon yan, pupunta kami sa playground. Or kung busy ako, si Ari lang. At nandun sila. Okay. Okay, moment. You go first.
Geh mal nach vorne.
Yeah, go first.
Hier.
It's okay, I'll take it first.
Okay. Ja.
Uh-huh. Moment, there's a sasakyan. Thank you. Wait. Yeah. Oh. Ayun, Rhine River pala sa baba. Yan oh, ganda.
Ganda playground.
Ako, kailangan ko ng tulong guys. Ang bigat na ni Baby Adam. Baby Adam like weighing 30 kilos already.
the children's seat is
Yeah. Ella, maganda ang haircut mo, Ella. Congratulations. What you will say? Oh, you're welcome. Timmy, next time, next year.
He said I'm allowed to cut it at home again. I will try to
Asa.
save it again.
Patay.
And they said for somebody who doesn't know how to cut hair, it's not looking so bad. They said.
So ayan ang playground. Beside the Rhine River. Ang ganda guys. Ayun oh. Oh, tapos yung panahon medyo may kalamigan. Tapos ayan na sila. Where you will sit?
Yeah.
Here, there's a bench.
Yeah.
Oh, under the tree. Yeah, let's go.
Plenty of
Okay.
benches.
Yeah. Okay, sit here. Oh, moment. Sun. Okay.
Yeah.
So ayan na yung dalawa. Okay, playtime. Oh, slowly. Slowly. Para na sila magtropa guys. Now, merienda time. Ginutom yung dalawa. Pahingi, Ella, pahingi, Papa, Mama.
Dankeschön.
Papa daw. Sa'yo na muna, Mama. Thank you. Danke.
Okay, coming back already to the car. The children, of course, would have loved to stay for 1, 2, 3 more hours and play. But we are also planning to go to Bonn now, so we need to go. Right, where are we going?
Vietnamese store.
In the Vietnamese store in Bonn.
Oh, what's that?
Ooh.
Oh, that's ay. Kaput, Ella. Throw it, Ella.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, toll. So now we're going to Bonn, to a Vietnamese store where Archie is hoping to find some fish because he's really missing his fish from the sea.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to find the fish there. So whenever Ella and the kids likes to eat the fish from the sea, like galunggong guys, maybe hopefully I'm hoping that there was there. Huh?
Yes, and maybe there's also crabs because Ella's talking a lot about crabs in the last time. So
it's only
Maybe.
18 minutes going there.
only 18 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, let's go. So fast forward.
So now we're in Bonn, guys. It's also very beautiful and old city. Here you can see it.
Can we go there fast?
Yeah. You see it? There.
This is a restaurant.
Yeah.
And that is the store on the side.
Okay.
The only problem is we need a parking spot.
Yeah. It's
I don't
okay.
know.
We will find one.
Or we go straight. What do you think?
Now we need to go anyway, and you cannot go straight. It's a one-way. I think here to the right. So this is our second round. Trying to find the parking in the area. It's not so easy here.
It's not so easy.
Yeah. So, balik-balik.
Balik naman. Ikot-ikot.
Good.
Tayo dito. Gastos tayo sa gasolina.
Okay, we find our parking now. And
At
Ella
last,
fell asleep.
after 45 minutes. It's okay.
Timmy was also complaining already. When can we go out? I'm feeling warm.
Naka-sleep na kasi Ella. Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Napagod sa gupit guys, tsaka sa laro. Nakatulog na. Dahil kukunin ko si Ella. Uy! Bigat-bigat na pa naman ang baby na yan. Ore, tulog ka naman oh. Saan natulog niya, Nico?
Now we need to walk a little bit. I already completely lost my orientation, but Archie still knows luckily where to go. He said it's over there only. So I'm just following Archie.
I smell the fish. I smell the fish.
Good.
We are here already.
We are here already.
I don't know if we can film, but let's go first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, guys, may butchik kami.
Can I start
Come, let's go.
Ja, wenn wir zurück sind, dann auch.
Nako guys, pabalik na kami. And napakaswerte namin. Ang dami namin nabili na paborito ni Ella. So,
Yeah, Papa's Next time I can also go to the restaurant, but now
Yeah.
we need to
go back,
home
Mama Mia. We have a
because
lot of
frozen goods.
frozen. Ngayon kailangan namin bumalik agad sa bahay kasi meron kami mga frozen na nabili and medyo mainit. So, mahirap na baka magtunaw. Nandito sa bag ko. Ayan, punong-puno yung bag. Ay, thank you Lord. Salamat. No? So, success yung pagpunta namin. Actually, hinanap ko lang siya sa Google Map. Tinayip ko yung Vietnamese store. Tapos nakita ko sa picture, meron siyang mga laman dagat. Katulad ng pusit, crabs, at saka isda. So maybe on our next vlog, yun lulutuin namin. Ang ganda ng view ng guys, ng Bon. Ayan o. Daming Pinoy dito na nakatira, ko. There's a lot of Filipino also living here.
Yeah, I think so.
Hello guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ayan, may bagong dating na razor.
Razor.
Hi, thank you. Ayan na si Mama, inaayos niya na.
Machst du richtig.
Nice, asawa ko. Don't make it so short, asawa ko, ha?
It's the longest, 22
Yeah, the longest.
to 24 millimeters.
Okay. Timmy, alas good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ay, sana maganda yung kalabasan asawa ko, ha?
Yeah.
Aray, si Baby Adam. Yan, naghahanap na. Saglit lang.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Timmy, alas good, Timmy? Okay. Oh, hapon na naputol, oh. Sela, okay na yung gupit na Ella. Ayan, oh.
This
Si
is
Timmy
the summer
nasunod.
haircut.
Yeah, summer haircut na.
Yeah.
Okay. We will see. Let's check later. Timmy, you look Jan. Kamukha na siya ni Jan, kanyang pinsan. Ang ganda.
Yeah, Papa.
Oo, dami. Ayan, ipunin mo, linisin natin, ha? Hello, Timmy. Oh, ang cute na ni Timmy, ko.
And then,
Nice asawa ko. Good
Yeah,
job.
from the back he looks like my brother.
Kababalik lang namin guys, nalobot yung namin, yung battery namin kanina. Kaya hindi na kami nakapag-film ulit. Ito naman si Ella, oh. Kaya dampot niya yung buhok. Nice, Ella. Thank you.
taco.
She's already collecting the hair for the birds. So
Ah,
they
for the
can
birds.
make their nests out of it.
Can I see? Can I see? Oh, ang cute ni Timmy. Ah. Look pogi.
Warte. Ich mache dein Gesicht sauber, da sind überall kleine Dings.
Okay.
Hey.
Good job, Mama. Thank you.
Mein Handschuh.
Oh,
yes, klar.
Mein Handschuh noch.
Ayan. Oh, dalawa na sila guys. Oh. Salamat. Ganda ng mga gupit. Inom mo na daw ng tubig. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Super happy.
Happy that he joined in.
Yeah. Thank you.
But
Thank
you
you.
wouldn't like it.
Yeah. Okay, anyway guys, I think we need to say goodbye na. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. And
Timmy and Ella, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
bye.